In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide email addresses when sending to multiple recipients in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and from here, let's go ahead and create a new email. We can just click New Mail right here, and then if you want to add multiple recipients right here to your email, but you want to hide them, what you can do is that you can use the BCC field. So you could use the BCC field right here and then put in the multiple recipients that you want to put in here. So for example, for the subject, I'm just going to put a sample email here. And then I'm just going to put a sample body of email. And then for the BCC, let's go ahead and add multiple recipients. So we can add this one, we could add this one, and I can just add my other emails right here and then just put to which is this one. And then you can add another one. Then when you're done, we can go ahead and click send. And then we should see now that in the sent items, so you could see the BCC since I'm the sender, but if I go to another account, which is this one, let me see if we received it. So let's try syncing it first, or we could try going to my other accounts. So now we received the email right here, and as you could see, we cannot see all of the other recipients since we use the BCC field. And then you can use that if you want to hide your other recipients. Another way to do it is that you can also use mail merge here. So let's go ahead and create a new email. We can add a subject line here, and then I'm just going to put a sample body of email and the new sample right here. And then we can use the mail merge here, so we could start the mail merge and then we can put the recipients together here. So as you could see, it says right here, every recipient will receive their own copy of this email without other recipients being listed. So you could also use this method if you don't want to use the BCC field, which is this method here. Click send mail merge, and as you could see, they want to send 3 emails with mail merge, so click send. So now we should see this in our sent items, and then when we go to another account, we should now receive that. So we'll just wait for a while and sync this until we receive the email. And from here, we can try checking the other tab, and then now we could see that we received the email and the other recipients are not listed as well. So that is it. That is how we can hide email addresses when sending to multiple recipients in Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.